ready?
Yeah.
TRC Prime.
Hello guys, today we compare these two knives from TRC, is Apocalypse and new Apocalypse Prime. So this is a sharpness test of TRC Apocalypse Prime.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, I'm ready. 118. Very cool. TRC Apocalypse.
What do you think, which is better?
This one.
Really?
Yes. For
Are-
me,
are
100.
you, are you sure?
Yeah, 100, bro. Watch.
So let's see.
Wow. Guys, two products and one bigger knife and the classic Apocalypse Apocalypse Prime. It's two knife material Elmax steel. Handle is very good, and for biggest one, this handle is small handle. I'm a very cool for finger.
Guys, we are gonna prepare some food.
Metti chicken masala, guys. It's very, ragazzi, fantastico. Potravina.
Ešte uvidíme, či to bude fantastiko.
Okay, guys, we are going to batoning test Apocalypse Classic versus Apocalypse Prime. Watch. It's very nice. And small Apocalypse. Wood is finishing. Okay. Wow. This knife makes it bushcraft survival, and this 100% survival knife.
I am going to make a shavings for start a fire. This is better.
Wood cutting for Apocalypse Prime versus Apocalypse Classic.
Meti, cut the tree with Apocalypse Prime.
Very strong. This knife very nice for bushcrafting, outdoor camping. This knife, guys, 100% survival, no compromise. TRC Apocalypse.
food was amazing.
A few moments later. 12 o'clock midnight. 24 hours later.
We tested these two knives and I can say the Apocalypse, the large one, is survival knife and Prime is 70% bushcraft. What do you think? We built this shelter with these knives and come see how it went. If I had to say which one is better, for the Prime you need another tool like saw or something else, and Apocalypse, large one, works independently.
Yuri, watermelon for test for Apocalypse challenge.
Give me one.
Okay, bro. Oh my god, it's good?
The TRC Apocalypse Primes feels like solid piece of steel that handles everything from heavy cutting to fine work. It's ideal for bushcraft, for preparing food and no difficult things that you can make in the forest. With this Apocalypse you can chop wood for a fire, build a shelter, and it's ideal for heavy work. It's a really strong knife.
Guys, first is Apocalypse Prime. $220 grams, very nice. And second, Apocalypse Classic. $314.5 grams. This knife is Apocalypse Prime is 19%, 19% is bushcrafting knife. This knife and good and for survival. This knife 100% Apocalypse knife. Handle is good, universal combat knife. Under this video you can see a link for an Apocalypse Prime and Apocalypse Classic, and please subscribe, comment, hate for my English. Thank you. You ready? Alaikum salam. Goodbye.